Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at what is the half screen thing on the iPhone 14 series. Now the reason why sometimes you may see the phone screen is halfway down is because you might have accidentally swiped down at the bottom like this. And this will allow you to bring down the top of the screen halfway down so that you can easily reach the top of the screen with one hand. And this feature is called reachability. If you don't like to use it, you can switch it off. So to do that, you can go into settings. From the settings screen, swipe up to go down and tap on accessibility, then tap on touch, and then tap on reachability to switch it off. Now if you switch it off, when you swipe down at the bottom here, it will not bring the top of the screen down halfway. And that's it. So say here, swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.